The Volkswagen Vento ignition coil is a crucial component of the vehicle's engine management system, transforming the battery's low voltage current into thousands of volts to create the electric spark required to ignite the fuel air mixture in the cylinders. Generates the high voltage needed to bridge the spark plug gap, ensuring reliable engine starts and optimal combustion. Constructed with heat-resistant synthetic resins, durable plastic housing, and copper wire windings, it is engineered to withstand extreme underhood temperatures and heavy electrical demands,